Hello, welcome back to another recipe. Today I am showing you guys a very easy fried chicken recipe. This one is different, okay, because I am using a different method. It's brand new, so stay tuned to see how it's done. Be sure you subscribe if you're watching Island Vibe for the first time. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Without further ado, let's begin. To begin, I am starting with chicken drumstick. You can use thigh, you can use chicken wings, whatever you like or whatever you have in hand. Today I am using drumstick, already cleaned with lemon and some vinegar. Now what I just added is some salt. I'll be adding a little bit of pepper as well. You can add the salt and the pepper based on how much you like. You don't have to use the same measurement for the pepper and the salt, okay? You can use, if you don't want to add pepper or salt, you just don't add it, okay? Now for the other seasoning that I am going to add in there, you need them. It's a must. So first of all, I am going to add garlic powder. Next, well, I'm adding more garlic powder as well, and be sure to check the description box for the measurement as always. Now I will be adding some smoked paprika. I believe this one is the regular one, not sure, but I will be adding some paprika in there as well. Now I'm adding some chili powder, also some basil, with a little bit of oregano. Yes, a little bit of oregano as well. And here I'm adding some cornstarch. This is a must, okay? Add some cornstarch. And I believe I added some onion powder in there. And now I am adding mustard. Try it, trust me, you will love this fried chicken recipe. Now I'm giving it a mix until everything is well combined. I am going to let this marinate for about an hour or 30 minutes if you don't have time. But I left mine to marinate for 1 hour. Just cover it, place it in the fridge. Now for the batter, this is the method that I'm using, okay? I will be adding a little bit of baking powder into the flour. I'm using all-purpose flour. And next, I'll be adding water to the flour. You can use club soda if you have any. I didn't have any, so I'm using just regular water until it gives you like a very runny texture, okay? You don't want it to be too thick. You want it to be very light. Now I'm cracking 3 eggs to add to it. Add your eggs in there just like that. Now, we're not done yet with the batter. We have to season the batter as well. Now, whatever seasoning you use for the chicken, you can just go ahead and just add it to this batter. I'm just adding the chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, everything else I added except the salt. I didn't add any salt to the batter. That's just me. I don't really like salt like that, guys. So I'm adding just the same seasoning that I use for the chicken to the batter. Yes, I added lots of pepper in there as well. Now you can add cayenne pepper or hot sauce to your chicken because I am going to serve it to kids. I didn't want to make it spicy, okay? But now this is my batter, nice and thick. As you guys can see, this is the consistency of it. Now I already have my oil heating up on the stove on 320-ish. So I let it get really hot, and then we're going to start cooking. What I did is basically take the chicken, dip the chicken into the batter, shake up the excess batter, then put it in the hot oil. Now make sure your oil is really hot, and make sure you use don't fill up your oil too high so it doesn't like bubble up and just make a mess and even burn you. So make sure you add a little bit of less oil. You know what I'm saying. You guys eat fried chicken before, so yeah. And don't add too much chicken into the oil. That's gonna slow the oil down. It's gonna make it like not hot. So yeah, I added 3 for now. I am going to let that cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how thick your drumsticks are. This is what it looks like when it is done frying. Oh my gosh, this is so crispy, you guys. It has the perfect color to it, and trust me, this recipe is the bomb. It's the best fried chicken you'll ever eat, like at home. It's just perfect. Okay, give it a try, let me know how you like it. So now basically the recipe is done. This is going to be really tasty once you bite into this. The breading is delicious, the chicken is delicious. It just tastes really good. So give it a try, let me know how you like it. If you've done your fried chicken differently, let me know down below. Leave your suggestion, what do you want me to cook, down below as well. And of course I have to try the chicken out for you guys. It was so moist, juicy from the inside, and trust me, listen to this. The outside was super crispy. Listen. Yep. So crispy. Thank you for watching. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up for me. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.